Philippine National Police walang namomonitor na banta kaugnay ng pagdiriwang ng Independence Day. Tiniyak na nakahanda para sa seguridad ng nasabing pagdiriwang. Detalye ng balitang yan mula kay Rajaman Marjo Domingo.
RMN Live Report!
Walang namomonitor na anumang banta ang Philippine National Police kaugnay ng pagdiriwang na Independence Day sa June 12. Ayon kay PNP Acting Chief PIO Police Colonel Alan Reyco, nakahanda at full deployed ang PNP para matiyak ang kaligtasan at kaayusan sa nasabing pagdiriwang.
We have received no validated intelligence regarding any such threats on Independence Day, but we reassure the public that PNP remains ready and vigilant and fully deployed to ensure the safety and security of all Independence Day celebrations across the country.
Samantala, kinumpirma ni Col nagkaroon ng pagpupulong sa SILG John V. Cremulya sa Campo Crame, ngunit ito ay para sa SONA, Seguridad del Senado at sa Safer Cities Initiatives. Kit pa niya na usual at normal lamang ang pinagmitingan at wala silang natatanggap ng validated intelligence kaugnay ng kaguluhan na magaganap sa labas ng Malacanang.
The Secretary of the Interior and Local Government did meet with the top PNP leadership as well as the regional directors and territorial staff as part of his regular oversight functions and mandate of the Philippine National Police. There's nothing unusual or there's nothing urgent about the meeting, and it's normal and routine exercise of the Secretary's authority over the Philippine National Police.
Naunang lumabas ng isang post mula sa isang journalist kung saan magkakaroon umano ng planadong pag-atake sa palasyo na pangungunahan ng isang religious sector at ito ang pinagpulungan ngayon sa Campo Crame. Kaugnay nito, nagpaalala naman si Ko na huwag basta-basta maniwala sa mga unvalidated na mga impormasyon. Kasama mo sa DZXL Armen Manila, Rajuman Marjo Domingo sa Talk RMN.